2024年查尔斯顿的航空展，它主要是展示各种飞机表演、空中展示和地面展览。通常呢包括军用和民用飞机的示范、特技飞行和跳伞表演，为航空爱好者和普通大众提供娱乐。今天待会儿呢，我们就会带你观看它的雷鸟的飞行。雷鸟它的飞机主要是 F-16的猎鹰战机，那么还有别的 F-35，那是闪电战机。他们是一个是美国海军的，还有一个是美国空军的，还有一个是美国海军陆战队的。好，大家尽情享受吧。这个是军用直升飞机呀，从后面上去，前面下来。哇，这么多的人排长队呀，哈哈哈哈！每架飞机的下面都在排长队。等着上去参观。爸爸也好想上去参观一番，可是这个队排得太长了，实在是没有那个耐心啊。
今天的 Air Show 里面有B1帮的，叫做黑574，然后呢有 F-22。战斗机，还有 F-16、17这个战斗机，还有一个是直升机的战斗机，还有直升机的运输机，所以呢非常多的种类。这是一个装火箭可以发射火箭的一个车。
看一下。这个火箭已经上膛了耶！哈哈哈哈！就是战斗机吧？下面的炮弹，哇，天哪！这个是小黄蜂吗？哈哈！红色的直升机，还有后面的波音大飞机。今天这个航展除了观赏飞机的表演以外，它还有30多架静态的飞机让你参观。这些飞机的话是一些军用和民用飞机。这样的话你可以享受带上孩子享受一些儿童专区，还有呢为提供年轻人、航空爱好者的一些娱乐活动。还有呢，为了满足你的胃口需求，你还可以品尝来自各地的美食摊位的美味佳肴为您的航空展冒险增加一位美色彩。还有为儿童提供的一些飞机的游戏场所，为年轻的航空爱好者还提供了一些飞机的就是试飞模型。是一个非常好的娱乐活动。对，就像一个大 party， 过节一样。上飞机啦！机不可失，时不再来。瞧这架飞机，太厉害了！大肚子里边不知道装了多少人，抱着孩子。上飞机照相，哦呦妈！瞧这一家4口，可是太能干了。
这是 F-18，这个在 Top Gun 这个 movie 里面有演电影的这个飞机，那你可以上去坐在那里，然后给你照相，一个人15块钱。
with Kennedy diving down with Kevin. Who's gonna go up and good? A lot of moving parts up there right now. Woo!
Who's going faster, Miles? The Skydivers and Kevin.
Yeah, I think it's a tie. Yeah, we do things with true regular horse fashion. These boys are going to be coming in faster than a speeding ticket here in just a moment. We're going to dive their parachute at the ground and building speeds up to 80 miles an hour across the ground. Looks like Jeff Provenzano out in the lead right now. Here he comes. Give it up. He can hear you.
Right there.
Yeah, Jeff Provenzano, ladies.
今天的第一个节目是蓝色自一跳伞队的精彩表演。蓝色自一跳伞队是由美国空军学院跳伞的精英成员组成。这支部队以令人叹为观止的空中动作和完美的跳伞表演而闻名。耶，真是太哇！跳下来啦！真是太精彩了，真是太令人赞为。
Now entering stadium from Charlotte, North Carolina with 690 jumps, bringing in the Navy flag. Put your hands together for C2C, Nick Marconi. Now entering this from Charlotte, North Carolina with 690 jumps. Put your hands together for C2C, Aaron Ponce.
Say there. Hello, Annika.
Let's hear it for Katie Tharp.
降落伞终于平安降下来了，好开心啊！
Hi, boys. Nice work, fellas. Beautiful. And if you put your eyes in the skies right now, just exiting the VO 105 helicopter, Captain Aaron Fitzgerald, Michael Swanson flying a squirrel suit. You might have seen these guys flying us.
刚才跳伞的小伙子，把伞就背在身上。现在下面的这个节目是展示的他的运输机是 C47和 C17，他们这两个 C47是一个老的历史悠久的运输机，17是现代的运输机，它的名字叫做环球霸王3。看他们两个一起飞行，共同飞行，这样来连接过去与现在。 它的航空业的运输历史。哇，拖着长长的尾巴，在空中留下了掉下来啦，掉下来啦！这个是它的，好像是战鸟，世界战鸟。 太棒了，太棒了！漂亮，漂亮。
One of the oldest aerobatic maneuvers, the classic loop, first performed in 1930. Verticals and
这是二战时期的1913年的战机，它叫我忘了什么名字了，叫战鸟，它的名字叫战鸟。
Right into the barrel roll. Over the blue skies of Charleston.
真是 amazing！ 1913年的飞机。这是第二次世界大战1930年时候的战鸟。哇！1930年的战鸟。对。哇！
Upside down! Woo! Aaron Fitzgerald from Wenatchee, Washington, joined the Army, had a career in the Army. Now he's, after he got out of the Army, started flying helicopters. There he is, doing a hammerhead. He does all the moves you can do with an airplane. Aaron Fitzgerald can do them in a helicopter. There's like 3 people in the U.S. doing these moves, 6 people in the entire world doing what he does here today for us. So this is not something you see every day. Right here, right under the top down, moving it.
Wait, you tell me, Miles, he's got a Red Bull right there on the dash.
You know, I don't think he has one today, but yesterday he had one on there, and the G-forces that he's pulling in there, he's doing about 2 to 3 positive Gs. And he can get to like 0.01 negative Gs, which would spill his Red Bull. Oh, it just was corrected. I thought he could like leave it there. I'm sure he's smooth enough to keep it steady. Upside down once again. He's also a firefighter. Aaron Fitzgerald's putting the wet stuff on the red stuff all over the western area, western coast.
That is incredible flying, Miles Dasher. It takes a lot of training.
Oh yeah, years of training. And there's a couple of guys out of Austria who kind of help perfect these moves, getting upside down in the BO-105. It's got a titanium rotor head that helps give it strength so the rotors basically don't vibrate off the helicopter.
How's it feel flying in that thing?
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. It feels like you're hovering. It's magical.
Magical. Just like going upside down in a helicopter. It's magical.
It's an invisible elevator. Woo! Except it's very visible. Oh yeah. Our main goal when we get out of this helicopter to do our skydives is make sure the door's closed. If the door's open, air comes through and buffets. Here he is, getting upside down, doing an Immel flip right here.
像风筝一样。
Check this move out. Here he is, stalling it out and pitching it back.
Upside down. Woo! Can you do that in a helicopter? Oh, yes, you can.
That's right, it's possible.
Pulling the G's. Over the top. And the classic loop. All of you in Charleston and North Charleston, because we love you. With a great big heart in the sky. And if you like that big old heart, I think we'll do it again. With an opposing group. Air Show Center.
刚才是2架飞机，
CT
一颗
and
火
Buick, just feet apart. Back up into the vertical. Pulling those G's. Over the top. With a great big heart. And a double loop.
太惊险了，太惊险了！哇，跟天空留下了
Both CT and Buick
花一样。
are airline. And a 4-point. Aileron. Barrel roll. Watch as they cross right off the deck. The maximum speed, 240 miles per hour. Gross weight, 5,300 pounds. It's powered by a 9-cylinder R1340 radial engine. Flying just inches apart. Warbird Thunder.
各种花式表演，哇，太激动了啊！哦呦，天哪，垂直掉了下来啊！整体还挺。
Perfect position.
在天空中画出美丽的弧线，
And Warbird Thunder.
哇，好危险呐、差着大陆飞过去了，哎呦，小心啊，保重啊！我不知道是不是
Support group.
哦，就是 Thunderbird，呀，对，这就是的。对，它的尾巴，
Now from the
它的
right.
尾巴是蓝色和红色的2条杠，对，这就是 Thunderbird。
The 3 stripes.
这个是
Telling the folks on the ground that we're the good
和
guys.
C-17
Right behind
飞
him.
机。
Go over Normandy at night. As the airborne Rangers jump.
C-17 空中霸王，他们是环球霸王，
The C-47 called
是
Shock.
美国 的。
From the Liberty Foundation. Here.
好，炸鸟雷鸣降落了，好漂亮的飞机啊！
啊，刚才在天上飞的那2架吗？现在落在地上了。
这个是比较老的运输机，可以载非常多东西的。
是啊，肚子大的哟，能装几千人。
它主要是运东西，运战略物资。
OK。
You can also get a look at these incredible
炸弹
airplanes.
啊，原子弹啊这些。
哇，闪电一样哎，一闪而过。
Look at the plane they call Swap Fox.
哇，空中翻滚哎！
R.T. Dixon and the Swap Fox.
带航空技术的顶峰，太好了，体验呐，太激动了，大开眼界！快拍快拍，下面还有更惊险的动作。OK， 这个真是太惊险了啊！来了来了来了来了来了！
Wide array of most advanced precision-guided air defense systems, air-to-air missiles, and a missionized 25mm cannon.
已经入战队的 F-35B。 好，下面你们将要看到的是今天最后的一个节目，也是最精彩的一个节目。它是今天的亮点，是美国空军雷鸟飞行队将给大家展示的优美表演。好，你们现在看下面的这个就是雷鸟飞行队的队员闪亮登场。美国空军雷鸟飞行表演队呢，它是以精准和技巧而闻名的。它呢，就是今年在2020年查尔斯顿空展上，它将展示 F-16战斗丽鹰的能力。我们大家都听说过 F-16战斗丽鹰吧？对，今天会有高速飞跃、紧密编队和击中人心的飞行动作。啊，你也来了！啊，太棒了，太棒了！
We're reliving history.
蓝色的雷鸟表演。
And we're looking at the future.
Wedge burst. Thunderbird officers and enlisted representatives are planning on coming forward to sign some autographs and talk about the great opportunities that exist in today's Air Force. This will take place along the crowd line, just to the right of where the jets are parked. We hope you'll stick around.
Hello， 我们的今天的参观航展结束啦，我们都有了非常愉快的一天，是不是？是的，好刺激啊！谢谢观看我们的节目，我们下次节目再见，拜拜。啊，恋恋不舍呀，我们的航展，再看一眼吧，下次就要过2年才能看到啊！哈哈哈。8点8。